Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we're going to discuss something that is hard to find on the internet. Information about the yaw rate sensor. This is the traction control sensor on BMW guys 5 Series. Now we have the 3 right here, but E60, E61, which is the 5 Series from like 2003 to 2010, will show you where your sensor is located. Now, if you have active steering, it might differ a little bit, but for the regular purpose, this one should be the same location. Now we'll have more than probably 200 videos on each BMW we own, and we're in the process of getting an E60 at the shop, so please guys subscribe, many more videos will come. In most cases guys, your sensor, that traction control DSC sensor, will be located under the driver's seat. Okay, we have driver's seat right here. You have to remove the driver's seat. You will have to remove as well, okay, that. Okay, you can see that cover right here. Sometimes you have to remove the side cover as well because it holds the carpet. And after that, you can pull the carpet up, and underneath the carpet you have that foam, okay, insulation right here. It's stuck all the way there. Okay, it goes in. And you will have to, okay, let me show you how it's in quick so you know what to expect. Okay, like that, it's in. So you need to pull the carpet all the way up, then get that thing out. Okay, like that, and you will be able to find the sensor. Usually it will be on that rail right here somewhere. Ours is mounted right here. Okay, you can see it has 3 bolts. The 5 Series, the E60, will be a little bit different, okay, but not much. I think it has only 2 bolts and it mounts directly to the rail, but the location is exactly the same, guys. So hopefully that video, guys, will be helpful, save you some trouble, and if you're trying to figure out where it's located, because those things could give you so many traction control codes and mess up your car as well. So if you need help with anything, okay, don't forget to drop a comment below, and see you guys next time.